Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And today's tip of the day, I want to share with you one thing, because a lot of us, when we go to work, we're sitting most of the time, right? Or even if we're standing at work, just like us, we're moving all the time. I want to share with you a quick tip on how to avoid getting sore when you're working, all right? Or even at home. So my suggestion to my patients is you have to move or change positions every 30 minutes. Now, if you have an injury that's more severe, I actually recommend every 15 minutes. Now, what do I mean by you want to change your position? So for example, you're sitting most of the time at work. So every 30 minutes, I want you to get up, either to walk or to even just to stand. Just change your position. So let's say you have to go to the copy machine, you have to get a cup of water, go to the bathroom, something like that. So every 30 minutes you want to break that, that position. So if you're sitting, every 30 minutes you get up or walk, okay? Now, if you're standing, every 30 minutes you want to sit down or you want to walk around. So that way you're changing your position also. And if you've been walking for 30 minutes, you can actually sit or you can actually stand and kind of lean on something, take some weight off of your legs, or either one at a time, all right? So in a nutshell, you want to change the movement or your position every 30 minutes, and if it's more severe, every 15, to avoid the muscle, from getting fatigued or getting sore, or, just to break up that monotony of doing the same thing for a long period of time. And that will help your body just feel better. All right. If you like this video, you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time, bye.